Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about HarenSartanBuy.us review? If yes, then watch this unbiased review that will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not. HarenSartanBuy.us is the new online store specializing in various gaming consoles ranging from PlayStation to Nintendo Switch and Microsoft Xbox. Moreover, the store even claims to offer up to 50% off discount on the gaming console and accessories on the Black Friday sale. The products are new and the latest gaming console available at discounted rate as per the claim of the website is concerned. Beside, the products come with description to help customer make the right shopping decision. Let's check out the specification of this website. It is HTTPS secure website. The product they have are Xbox, Nintendo Switch, PlayStation and accessories. They shared their contact detail, physical address and email address, but email address is not matching their domain name and it can be a red alert, but we can't take just one point to make it scam. Let's check out the website in detail so we will easily understand either this is a scam or a legit store. As far as its payment methods are concerned, they are accepting PayPal and credit card payments. Domain age is new, like it was registered on 11th November 2021. As far as its shipping details are concerned, products are processed in 3 to 7 days and standard delivery takes 15 to 30 days. There is no shipping charges for the orders. As far as its return and refund are concerned, the store claims to offer a 30-day window to exchange and return the defective products for repairing. As far as social media pages and presence are concerned, the logos are mentioned on the website but they are inactive. No honor detail have been shared. The positive point of shopping from HarenSartanBuy.us are the store sells a variety of gaming consoles and accessories, 50% discount on all orders during Black Friday sale. Products come with description. The return and refund available for the product. PayPal and credit card payments are accepted. Negative point of shopping from HarenSartanBuy.us are negative reviews are available online. The prices are hard to believe. Social media links are inactive. No honor detail have been shared. So the question arises in our mind, is HarenSartanBuy.us legit or a scam? So let's check out the detail in depth. As we discussed, it is newly launched website, like it was registered on 11th November 2021, just 3 days old website. So customer may be hesitating to shop from the store. It has short life expectancy date, like it will expire on 11th November 2022. As far as trust score is concerned, it is just 1%, that make the website suspicious. Moreover, we could not found favorable reviews of the customer. As far as its address is concerned, it seems to be fake as it belongs to a single family residence and not a business address. No honor detail have been shared and the social media links on the home page are inactive and fake. Trust rank is about 58.5 out of 100, which is average. We found negative reviews under the videos. As we all know that customer reviews give us a lot of help to decide about the legitimacy of the website. So when we researched the portal visually and found few video reviews online with comments from different people, and according to these comments the website seems to be suspicious and possibly a scam. No reviews or comment favor the e-commerce website, and so we can't confirm its legitimacy as of now. So in conclusion, we can say that it is an e-commerce website claiming to sell the latest gaming console of different brands. However, the store lacks the to attract worldwide customer. So at this moment we are not recommending to shop anything from this store. We recommend you it's better to stay away from this store or wait for some genuine reviews to come and then make a wise shopping decision. Meanwhile, you can shop your favorite item from some legit store. And if you have personal experience of shopping from HarenSartanBuy.us, please share your views and experience. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.